The Chief Medical Director of University of Abuja Teaching Hospital says the hospital will continue to appreciate and reward workers who perform excellently in the discharge of their duty of saving lives.
The hospital and indeed most federal government parastatals have a unit called the Servicom unit. It is their responsibility to monitor activities on the day-to-day basis within the hospital premises, and therefore in their discharge of duties, it's very easy for them to identify workers that come to work early, workers that do their work properly, those that listen to patient complaints, and all of that. And therefore, 99% of this is organized by the Servicom unit of the University of Abuja Teaching Hospital. I'm very happy and proud for the work they have been doing the past 6 years.
Professor M. Bassi, Chairman of the Committee of Chief Medical Directors and Medical Directors of Federal Territory Hospital in Abuja, said the committee has seen a lot of best practices in University of Abuja Teaching Hospital that must be emulated.
Very recently, in the last couple of years, we tried to go around the different hospitals. Why we do that is because we want to see the best practices. And we go around and we learn. Today we have come to University of Abuja Teaching Hospital. They are the hosts, and we have seen a lot of best practices. We've seen a lot of infrastructural development. We've seen, Professor Ekele turn a threat into an opportunity. COVID came, but at the end of the day, COVID is an opportunity. We've learned so much. And just before we came here, we observed and did the commissioning to a block of flats for the junior staff, and that is something that I'm not sure I've ever really seen anywhere. So I want to appreciate you. Today we're talking about the awards. In change management, there are usually 3 factors: to want to do, to know how to do, to be enabled to do. Those are the 3 things in change management. And today you are appreciating your staff. Usually it's so easy to give people cash, awards, this, that, but the truth is most of those things are not sustainable. What is most important is when you are in a community of your peers and you are singled out to be excellent. I think that actually goes a lot. So we thank you, sir, for keeping up this tradition, for recognizing staff who have worked very hard. I will look through the list. There are quite a number of you, but not all of you can be winners. What I want to say is that if you have not won today, if you work very hard, you will win next year. I'm very sure that the awardees were selected based on a very objective criteria. So it was not because man no man. So I want to encourage every staff, work very hard. Someday you will be recognized.
Earlier, Chairman of the 2023 Staff Award Committee and Servicom Nodal Officer, Dr. Anthony Bawa, said the award was to appreciate unconditional commitment to be a blessing to lives.
We are here to actually appreciate and recognize unconditional commitment to being a blessing to lives. Unconditional commitment to being a blessing to benefit lives. And that's why we are here to appreciate people who were outstanding in being a blessing, benefiting lives. Those that are going to be awarded perhaps did not know they would be awarded. They are just unconditionally reaching out and touching lives and being committed to service. And the management is unconditionally reaching out to them. And for those that are here, you are also working, you've been committed, but you are not recognized today, you will be recognized someday. And to all of us, whatever we are doing, wherever we are doing, let us be unconditionally, that is the message today, be committed to what we are doing to benefit lives.
Dr. Onalo Richard of the Department of Emergency Pediatrics Unit, whose department won the Breast Department, said he was excited because their efforts were being appreciated.
Well, we were elated, not just because we have won an award, but because our efforts are being appreciated. You know what it means to work among children. Most time, you keep working and keep working and keep working, and nobody turns back to say thank you for your efforts. But with this, we are much encouraged to keep the pace that we have been working with hitherto. I want to believe that every member of the department, on hearing this and seeing the award, will be more excited to put in their best.
Highlight of the event was the presentation of 100,000 Naira cash prize to Engineer Bala Mungut, the University of Abuja Teaching Hospital 2023 overall best staff, and 50,000 Naira to the best department by the committee.
Like I said, the number award will be accompanied with a sum of 100,000 naira. Somebody is going to present them. We present you this award as the best department in the University of Abuja Teaching Hospital. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
And for the very last time, a small token again from our committee, the sum of 50,000 naira, which should be used to buy rights and share among your congratulations.